Why is my HP All-in plan bill higher than expected? If your HP All-in plan charge was higher than expected, there are a few possible reasons explaining this. Plans for the service are based on the pages you print, not cartridges or shipments you receive. Here is how HP All-in plan for print counts pages. Consider the following. Your monthly bill is based on pages printed, not shipments received. You might not get shipments every month. All printed pages are counted, whether ink cartridges are installed or not. Your regular monthly payment covers printing of your plan pages and any accumulated rollover pages. If you print more than your plan and rollover pages, you are billed for additional pages. To view charges and print your invoice for any billing period, sign into your account at hpsmart.com. On the left menu, click Account, then select Statements. Select the desired date, then click Download for a specific bill. Open the downloaded invoice to see a breakdown of your charges. Find more helpful videos on our HP Support YouTube channel.